अवधेश मजुमदार जी, मनोज खैरिया जी, रजत भट्टाचार्य जी, शिव प्रकाश जी, वरुण विश्वास जी हमारे संचालक, और यहाँ उपस्थित esteemed intellectuals of Calcutta, representing various professions and the elite, eminent persons representing the intellectual world of Calcutta. And dear friends, sabhi ke namaskar. Barun was saying that I happen to be a Bengali Jamai. Certainly, I am a Bengali Jamai and I feel very proud of it. But I don't know, destiny has made me to have a very close connection with Bengal. And this I am not exaggerating, it is a fact that I was born in a Bengali mohalla called as Pakkabadi. So my birth took place in Pakkabadi in Patna, and from right very beginning I was witnessing Kali Puja, Durga Puja. So the cultural ethos which I imbibed in my childhood days belonged to Bengal. Another thing was that in my school, my class fellows, at least a batch of 40, 15 to 16 were Bengalis. Somebody was Osh, somebody was Sen, somebody was Gupta, somebody was Bose, somebody was Mitra, somebody was Majumdar. But I used to envy them. I used to envy them because while the results used to come, in the grading, the A grade was dominated by Bengalis and we could not get it. We always got the chance of B, C, and we always used to aspire that we should also get A grade. So I questioned them, what is the reason? Why you all are so intellectually superior, and which I considered also. Then I came to know that cod liver has got a very important role to play. So friends, when I talk about Bengal, I really mean that what India used to think tomorrow, Bengal used to think today. That is the background which we know about Bengal. And I am not exaggerating. If I talk about the spiritual leaders, it was the Bengal which led the country. If I talk about the social reformers, it was Bengal which led the country. If I talk about the doctors, the engineers, the scientists, the Bengal led the country. So Bengal had that pride and has that pride. And culturally also very superior. So the whole country looks towards Bengal with a different, with an aura, with a respect that Bengal leads and Bengal always gives a direction to the country. That is what we are feeling. But we also know that in the past 30, 40 years, something happened that Bengal, the people started migrating. Bengal, which was considered to be the economic hub, slowly it became a place where people started deserting. The best people started going out, not only in different parts of the country, but to various Western countries also. And the political leadership here was dominated by the essence of violence. May it be Congress in the initial days. After that the CPM came. For more than 3 decades they ruled. And then came TMC. The culture of violence came into the very quality of Bengal. And that is why the intellectual pursuits, the discussion, they ceased. And it became a rule of, not of law, but the rule of the person who has got the power. और हमारे हिंदी में कहते हैं कि जहां विचार समाप्त हो जाता है वहां समाज के विकास की गति रुक जाती है. So that also happened in Bengal. In spite of all this, Bengal has not lost its that pride, that intellectual pursuits, the other things. But politically, we have been subjugated to a position where we are not able to give our best, where we are not able to perform. And so the time has come, and it's the right time, when we can also say that we can give a better alternative, an alternative which will certainly bring a rule of law in Bengal, which will be helpful for everybody to, whoever stays in Bengal. That is what I would appreciate. If I talk about many things I can discuss, but I'm told that I have to speak less and hear more. So I'll be limiting myself, but what I feel is that yes, we have been talking about Ma, Mati, Manush, but here I'm sorry to say that this is the first state where crime bureau records are not maintained. It is not published. It is not given to the central government. The reporting is not done. Human trafficking, Ma, when we talk about Ma, human trafficking is maximum in Bengal. Rape cases is maximum in Bengal. Acid attacks is maximum in Bengal. And the common man, I know, I'm from the politics, I'm from the streets, I know. जिस प्रदेश में किसी पुलिस वाले के आने से घबराहट हो जाए, आप समझिए वो प्रदेश समाप्त है. और बंगाल में ये सालों सालों से चल रहा है. एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन इज पोलिटिसाइज्ड and police is criminalized. This has happened. और मैं हमेशा कहता हूं, I've been in administration for pretty long time. जब किसी को खून लगा देते हो ना, तो फिर वो आदमखोर ये नहीं पूछता है कि मालिक का खून है या दुश्मन का खून है. खून खून ही होता है, वो आदमखोर बन जाता है. The same way the administration here, we talk कि ये ऐसा चलेगा वैसा चलेगा, ऐसा नहीं होता. जब उसको ये आदत लग जाती है तो पोलिटिसाइजेशन से क्रिमिनलाइजेशन होता है. क्रिमिनलाइजेशन से आगे चल करके वो क्रिमिनल एक्टिविटी किसी के लिए रुकती है, ऐसा नहीं होता. अभी आपने महाराष्ट्र में एग्जाम्पल देखा, जब होम मिनिस्टर या बाकी लोग कहें कि इतना टारगेट हमारा है, तो क्या फिर जो ये कलेक्ट करने वाला है वो उतने पर ही रुकने वाला है क्या? बोलेगा नहीं, मालिक के लिए ही करना है और उसके नीचे बाकी लोग नहीं करेंगे क्या? तो यही चीज यहां भी हुई है और इससे हमको निजात पाना. वी हैव टू गेट रिड ऑफ दिस. सो व्हेन आई वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट मा, the atrocity, the domestic violence is maximum in Bengal. The unreported cases maximum in Bengal. If I talk about Mati, where it has been taken care? The people of Bengal who are so industrious, most of them have left, migrated. They don't want to serve. If I talk about Manush, Bachai Koi, BJP we have sacrificed more than 140 workers in the past 3 years. और 100 का 100, कौन सा घाट था वो? काली घाट. काली घाट पे जाके 100 का तर्पण, काली घाट था या और हाँ, बाबू घाट. वहां 100 लोगों का, 100 फैमिलीज हटका, छोटे छोटे बच्चे. Nobody left in the family. No breadwinner left in the family. Abhi Mamta ji is talking about 4 people. We also feel sorry that they lost their life. But what about Anand Barwan, who casted his vote and was going back and he was killed? He was shot dead. Not even a single word has come. This partisan activity was going on. तो ये सारी चीजों का एक मिश्रण बन करके आज बंगाल की स्थिति है। इसलिए मानुष का जो हाल है वो हम जानते हैं। चल क्या रहा है, इसी टोलाबाजी, तुष्टीकरण, तानाशाही, कटमनी, अब ये इन्हीं के टेप्स निकल रहे हैं ना। इतना टारगेट है, इतना महीने का आता है, इतना महीने का देना होगा, कोयला में से इतना, बालू में से इतना। And whatever Modi ji said during the Corona times, that ration was found in TMC workers' houses. Amphan में खा गए. And see, a chief minister is going to Supreme Court against the CAG audit. ये बताता है कि किस तरीके से प्रशासन में मिली भगत है और ममता is protecting the people who have done corruption in Amphan relief work. And Prime Minister Modi gave 2,750 crores, not a small amount. Fishermen did not get their boats, fishermen did not get their house reconstructed. तो ये सारी चीजें कुल मिलाकर के यहाँ पर जो चल रही हैं, I was a health minister. With full responsibility, I say that it was in 2017-18. In Bengal, dengue cases were not reported. In Corona crisis, we sent a central team. A central team was here. The chief secretary says कि तुम सेंट्रल के गेस्ट हाउस में रहो, आराम से रहो, टूरिस्ट बन के रहो, we will not give you. Is this rule of law? Is this the chief secretary who has to speak like this? तो हमारा ये मानना है कुल मिलाकर के ये समय आया है जब हमें ऐसी सरकार को लॉक स्टॉक एंड बैरल के साथ तिरस्कार करना है, नमस्कार करना है और अच्छे लोग, those who well-meaning persons, those who can deliver, those who can bring a change, and we find the ray of hope in Bhaskar, and we have to see to it that we support सरकार। इसीलिए मैं आपसे खाली निवेदन करने आया हूं। आप इंटेलेक्चुअली बहुत साउंड हैं। If I talk about doctors, I know how doctors have been asked not to report. करवे ना, रिपोर्ट करना नहीं है। I know what is the position, what the lawyers are facing. I know what the teachers are facing. देखिए, जब लॉलेसनेस हो जाती है ना तो सबको दिक्कत आती है, सिवाय जो लोग राज करते हैं उनको छोड़। इसलिए इस सरकार को हम आपसे निवेदन करने आए हैं। मुझे कहा गया था कि पॉलिटिकल नहीं बोलना है, अब हमने कहा बुला लिया राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष को, तो हम और क्या बोलेंगे। और मेरी घुमा के बोलने की आदत नहीं है, मैं सीधा सीधा बोलूं। और एक बात बता दूं, मेरे पिताजी वॉज अ प्रोफेसर, ही वॉज अ वाइस चांसलर। One fine morning he was removed from the post because he opposed emergency. And one fine morning he was reinstated as vice chancellor of two universities. I said, one fine morning you become a vice chancellor, you have become an intellectual of two universities, and one fine morning you are removed. What is this? Who does it? I questioned him. I said, it is the politicians who do it. So, politics is a very important weapon for change. If right people are there, right type of change will come. If right type of people are not there, that change does not take place. Instead of that, it goes down. So, और मैं तो हमेशा कहता हूँ, even when you get water, because it is, suppose now, our Prime Minister is Prime Minister Modi. We know that Jal Jeevan Mission is now in action. That means that every person on this in India will be getting a clean tap water. So this is how politics makes a difference. When we talk about Swachh Bharat, in Bengal itself, वैसे तो 11 crore 36 lakh toilets have been constructed, and toilets is the direct, it has got a relationship with women empowerment, because for the natural needs, the ladies used to go in numbers outside and waiting for sunset and waiting for sunrise. You can imagine what type of life they were leading. And in Bengal, 1 crore 36 lakh toilets have been constructed. That means 1 crore 36 families and women have been empowered in Bengal. That is what we are saying. So politics makes a difference. तो हमें कहा गया कि पॉलिटिक्स की बात नहीं करनी है, तो मैंने कहा चलता तो सब कुछ उसी से है। तो मैं आपसे निवेदन करूंगा कि मैंने कोई बातचीत वैसी की नहीं है, लेकिन फिर भी जो आपके समझ में आया है वो सही ही है और उसका आप सदुपयोग करेंगे और मेरे लायक कोई प्रश्न होगा तो मैं जरूर लूंगा और जवाब देने की कोशिश करूंगा। लेकिन आई फील प्रिविलेज टू गेट एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू टॉक टू सच एन illustrious gathering. People from all walks of life are there. Doctors are there, engineers are there, lawyers are there, technocrats are there, bureaucrats are there. My Bengali friends, 4 of them who were my class fellows, have been on senior positions in Bengal in bureaucracy. So Bengal leads. Bengal leads in all aspects. Even people who studied in Patna and they were Bengali, they occupied important positions here in Bengal. So I know, and with all due respect and regards, we have to see that culturally, spiritually, socially, what Bengal has the name, that is to be reinstated, that has to be propagated, and we have to bring Asal Parivartan, Asol Parivartan, and Sonar Bengal, we have to see to it, and for that we should work. Thank you very much for giving me this.